Hi, my name is Aiden Virgilio, and my favorite activity to do is surfing. In my opinion, the most important aspect of surfing is the pop-up. The pop-up sets you up for every part after the wave. So, most people when they're beginning pop up on their knees like this. That's not what you're supposed to do, because when you're on your knees, you're unbalanced, and the wave, when it hits you, can knock you off. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go straight from your stomach to your feet without your knees touching. This gives you more balance and puts you in a better position to go from there. So this is how you're supposed to do it. And one way you can practice this is on dry land, like I'm doing right now. But I wouldn't recommend doing it on a fiberglass surfboard because it would break it. Do it on a wave storm or any other foam board. Done.